Today is Monday, April 11th. I'm going to take a look at gold and precious metals, starting with the GDX for stocks. You can see a nice move here breaking out of this recent range. Actually broke out on Friday, but really driving that breakout home today. Well above the 50-day average after a nice little test of that average. RSI looking good, so gold stocks, pretty good looking right now. Let's take a look at gold itself through the ETF, gold ETF. Breakout through the trend line. Test of the 50-day average over here last week and a bounce, so this is also looking like it's in pretty good shape. And quickly moving on to silver. Silver ETF. Trend line's a little bit different. The gold lines were from over here, so it's a little bit different, and you have a choice of lines. This one is your basic line with a breakout and a test of that breakout. You can see it over there, and a test of the 50-day average as well. Want to be a little bit more conservative here. This is probably a better trend line to use, this shallower one, and it has not broken through there yet. And also you can see that if we draw maybe just a quick horizontal line right about here, I'm just looking for a good place where there's a lot of stuff happening. And you can see over here there's a slight gap down over there. So I like this line. So it hasn't really broken out on silver itself, but it's in good shape. Just for fun, let's take a look at silver. And to do a ratio here in Technician, it's silver full colon, then GLD. And the ratio has not broken out yet. I've written recently that I think that silver is going to outperform gold. And there's a lot of reasons other than this one little chart here. And this chart itself doesn't really give you a good idea, although you can see it's got a great chance to snap back to that trend line. So a rally of silver versus gold in the short term. I think that's going to continue. So that's the real story. It's quick and dirty today. I think precious metals are on their way back. Probably have bottomed. I'm not going to look for 1900 on gold anytime soon, but I think we've got some room to go here. And with the dollar as weak as it is right now, it's probably a good place to look.